To use filters, this is what I do.
Now I'm going to use filters. 1, 2, 3.
Split clip, again, delete this part. Split, split, split. I'm gonna put 3 filters. So I select this, clicking on it, click, and now I go to these 3 circles. And it says clip filter, none. So I'm gonna choose one of them. For instance, I'm gonna put
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
This one to make it different, to make it very evident. Now I'm gonna choose
2,
this
2,
one, and finally I'm gonna choose
3.
this one.
3.
So you can see the effect.
Now I'm going to use filters. 1, 2, 3.
So this is the way to use filters.